Greetings to my Facebook family, my friends, my followers, customers, and loyal customers as well. As you know, Nathan Jones, Philpop Motors. New month, new beginning, new start. Last month, everybody get their goals, they hit the budgets, everybody's feeling good. Lenders are buying real aggressive right now. Right now, as I speak, I am currently sitting in one of my finance manager's office, punching in some deals, getting some approvals, and I am just so amazed at some of the things that are happening. We got a 444, 400 Beacon, 1500 down. She's driving out today. So with that being said, man, we are doing some incredible things. And don't be afraid of being rejected, because there's no such thing as rejection. We just need to get the proper information to figure out what it is that we need to do to accomplish what it is that we're trying to do. So what I need you to do is pick up the phone and call me at 409-998-1001. That's 409-998-1001. And I promise you, with that phone call, your life is going to change within a matter of seconds. I'm here for you and I'm waiting. Thank you, and I appreciate you guys for the awesome job and the strong close on last month. I couldn't have done it without you. Thank you. I'll be next, and congratulations, you're next.